I just harvested some vermicompost, so now I'm going to show you how I use it into some inert media such as sawdust, or you could use it in cocoa coir in the same way. In a container, fill 1 part of compost, or vermicompost, and try to omit the worms. One part of wood pellets, so these are for wood heating, pellet stove heating, so they're very much available in my region. You can use cocoa coir. After that, you just add, I have compost tea, so add compost tea to submerge the whole thing. After that, you just let the pellets inflate. You can stir a bit now because it's probably easier to stir. And notice I have my trusty vinyl gloves. It contains nutrients and it contains some oxygen. Everything that we need to grow should be in there. The pot that I use has this shape inside, so a little bit of room for putting media for wicking, a lot of airspace, and we'll just add more airspace. But how do you do that? I will put a port in here so I can have a non-circulating hydroponic setup. In the bottom corner here, I will drill a hole to coincide with an existing hole on the other pots that I have. And to continue to run, I'll just make the hole adjacent to it on the other side. Okay, here's the other hole. I just add some 1/4-inch tubing in the holes just so they don't leak right now. They are not going to be part of the system. Just press fitting a 1/4-inch with a smaller size hole doesn't leak. Well, at least for me, so try it anyway. Okay, so my two side holes are made, so I'm going to be ready to put in a new port. Here's how I use the sawdust concoction now. In the bottom, I just use plain sawdust just to fill the holes for wicking. Completely cover the bottom so you don't see any more plastic. Alright. Now put some upside down eggshells. I'm just trying that now, but it will add calcium. It'll eventually collapse, but in the meantime they will provide nutrients for the plant. Now just add a little more sawdust to cover the eggshells. Now the eggshells will add a little bit more airspace. I just use a drill to drill a 1/4 inch hole into the soda can. Well, my drill battery's died, so I'm trying a new approach, much faster. The screwdriver sets might come out with a pokey thing there. The bottom's a little more difficult to poke. Okay, so we have 9 cans. Let's put some more sawdust. The cans are all covered with sawdust now. It's time to put some dirt and compost and plant our tomato. Here's my tomato plant, which I've grown aeroponically. It's nicely rooted. It started to leaf. My dirt, the dirt that I use is potting soil, which has 20% vermicompost. Now, of course, in the corner, you could take some, put some more cans, and I'll do that. A couple of cans here. We'll be able to use less dirt. It's not really necessary.